Troops, listen up. You've earned more than just pay and benefits. You've earned one of the most powerful financial weapons in America, the VA loan. But here's the issue. Too many service members use it once and never again. Or worse, they never use it at all. Today, I'm breaking down how the VA loan can help you build real wealth, not just buy a home. By the end of this mission, you'll know how to use your VA loan like a weapon, not a wish. Welcome back, troops. I'm Sergeant Finance, and this channel is where we turn military money into momentum. If you want to learn how to grow wealth using your benefits, lock it in and hit subscribe. We've got missions dropping every week. The VA loan isn't some random housing perk, it was born out of gratitude. Back in 1944, as World War II was ending, the US passed the Servicemen's Readjustment Act, the GI Bill. The goal: help returning veterans rebuild their lives through education, business, and home ownership. The VA loan was the housing piece, a way to give service members a fair shot at buying a home when banks demanded huge down payments most soldiers couldn't afford. Fast forward to today, the VA loan still stands strong. Modernized and open to active duty, veterans, Guard, and reservists. Here's how it works. The Department of Veterans Affairs guarantees part of your loan so lenders can offer zero down payment, no PMI, lower interest rates, flexible credit requirements, and here's the kicker. It's not a one-and-done deal. Use it smartly and you can tap into it again and again, even hold more than one property if you meet the rules. Meet Sergeant Lopez. At 19, she joins the Army. 4 years later, she uses her VA loan to buy a $250,000 home, zero down. Mortgage, $1,800 per month. She rents 2 rooms to other soldiers for $700 each. Her cost, only $400 a month. 5 years later, she PCSs. Instead of selling, she rents the whole home for $2,100. That covers the mortgage and gives her $300 cash flow. At her next duty station, she uses her VA loan again. 10 years in, she owns 2 properties appreciating in value, paid by tenants. That's not luck. That's a wealth-building mission. Step 1. Buy smart. Don't max out your limit on the first home. Step 2. Target a duplex or fourplex. Live in 1 unit, rent the rest. The VA loan allows up to 4 units if you occupy 1. Why is this so powerful? Because when you live in 1 unit and rent out the others, your tenants help pay your mortgage. In some cases, their rent can cover most, or even all of your monthly payment. This strategy is called house hacking. It's a game changer for service members, lowering your living costs, building equity, and setting you up for long-term wealth. Step 3. Hold the line. Time plus appreciation. Wealth. Rent it out when you move. Step 4. Reuse your entitlement after you sell or pay off a property. Step 5. Protect the mission. Once you start renting out properties, consider forming a business entity, like an LLC, to hold your real estate assets. That separates your personal finances from your rental business and can make it easier to manage taxes, expenses, and liability. Of course, before you make that move, talk with legal and tax professionals to make sure you're protected and that you're claiming every deduction you're entitled to, like depreciation, repairs, and property management costs. And troops, don't go it alone. You'll want a trusted property manager to handle tenants, maintenance, and rent collection while you focus on the mission. Step 6. Keep cash reserves and proper insurance to stay ready for any surprise expenses. Troops, don't fall out of formation. Overbuying. Qualifying for $500K doesn't mean you should spend it. Skipping inspection, that's your armor against hidden repairs. Short-term thinking, the VA loan isn't just for a dream home, it's an investment tool. Troops, whether you're stateside, deployed, or gearing up for your next PCS, your military benefits can be your ticket to financial freedom. The VA loan isn't just for when you hang up the uniform, it's a tool you can use right now while you're still serving. Every move, every assignment, every base change is a new chance to build equity instead of paying rent. So here's your mission. Start planning today. Talk with a VA-approved lender. Learn your numbers and make your benefits work for you, not the other way around. If this video helped you, like, share, and subscribe for more no-nonsense military money tips. And sound off in the comments, I'm ready to make my benefits work. This is Sergeant Finance. Mission complete. Dismissed.